and welcome back to Old Mill Homestead. So today we're working on a banana bread, and I'll have the recipe linked below. I've had some bananas in the freezer and they've been thawing out. I think they're ready to go. I also have a couple fresher bananas, so if I have to add to it, we should have plenty. But I wanted to try this. I've never made a banana bread. You know, you guys know I make a lot of zucchini bread, and I had also never tried that either. But I want to try give this a try. So come along with me and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna start with adding our flour, baking soda, and salt to a separate bowl. So I need 2 cups of flour. The kitchen's a little bit of a mess. I've been making my sandwich bread. I can link that recipe in case you're interested. But I've been doing that. Made myself some tea. So it's a little bit of a mess. There's 2 cups of flour. We need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm just gonna do 4 of these. Accidentally, there we go. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna kind of combine the dry ingredients here. Again, this is just flour, salt, and baking soda. And then in a separate bowl, we're gonna combine the brown sugar and butter into the electric mixer. So this gives you a little bit better view of just how a disaster my kitchen is at the moment. Okay, so now you can see just how much of a disaster my kitchen is. So we're gonna add our butter to our stand mixer. I did wash this out, but I did not clean it out per se. We need 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So I'm gonna add my sugar, and then I'm gonna add some molasses to that because I don't have brown sugar. That should be good. And then we're gonna get that mixed up. Okay, so we don't have quite enough banana. So I am gonna go ahead and add a fresher banana to it. I think it'll still be okay. This is the roughest one of the group that we have. So hopefully that'll still work because I need 2 cups of banana, which is equaling out to 3 cups for me. So that gets us where we need to be. So we're gonna pour in the banana. And then I have 2 eggs. We're gonna pour those in. And then we're gonna let that mix all together. Okay, so that looks perfect. So we're gonna add our dry ingredients that we did earlier, which was just our flour, salt, and baking soda. And then we're gonna stir till it's combined. Woo! All right, that is all combined. We're just gonna spray this down. That looks so good. Just try to get all of that goodness into the bowl. There. All right, that looks good. And we're just gonna pour it into our little loaf pan. Okay, here we go. The batter is ready, so we're just gonna put this into the oven. I've already got it heated to 350, and that's gonna go for 1 hour. So I'll check it because I'm gonna be cooking other things as well. So we'll check this in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the oven. And here's our sandwich bread, in case you're wondering. I did not make 2 loaves, but. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour, please.
1 hour, starting now.
Okay, Siri's got it. She's got the timer set. We're gonna let that go for 1 hour and we will come back and see what it looks like, and we'll do a taste test. So, the banana bread is done. Let me show you what I did. I actually dropped it in the floor and caused quite the mess. So I have all of this in the floor, and then luckily it didn't come out, and then I dropped some more on the stove. So Nick's got a broom. It is what it is. I was trying to see if I could go ahead and turn it out and put it on the cooling dish, and when I went to turn it back over, luckily I got it back over and I dropped it straight on the ground. So it is what it is. It's not going to be as pretty as I would like, but it's done, it's cooked, it's made, it's fine. We will, well, let me take a little bite. It's super moist. I don't know if you can tell. That's really good. That's really, really good. I hate I dropped it. So, luckily it's still edible. Thankfully it hit the bottom instead of falling on its top. Nick got the mess cleaned up. We're gonna let it cool, and then I'll try to get a good picture of it so you guys can see the final product without it looking like a hot mess if somebody dropped it in the floor. Anyway, it's good. We will see you guys in the next one, and I'll post a video of it. It'll be the video picture will be the final product. We'll slice a couple pieces here after supper, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks, friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.